everyone! Today I'm sharing 5 ideas for using your planner and giving away these 3 free planning routine printables that I'll be discussing later in this video. So stick around for that. The first idea is to track your energy levels throughout the day and then use that to determine when to work on your most important tasks. So for example, if you are most tired when you get home from work, then maybe you should schedule your most important tasks into the beginning of the day. And that works vice versa as well. If you have more energy at night, maybe you should be working on tasks that take more energy at nighttime. Everyone is different, and it's important to take into consideration the role that energy plays in your ability to complete tasks. The second idea is to have an insert that shows what the perfect week would look like if you completely followed your schedule. You time block everything out and you list out when you're going to work on your routines and when your weekly appointments that happen every week are. All those tasks that routinely happen on that sheet, so then you have something to reference as you're planning out your week and you have a goal that you're working towards. You want your week to look more like this template. You could have a checklist that lists out the steps you can take to get your life back together after something happens. Maybe you get sick, some unexpected life event occurs, and you need to get back into your routines and get back into healthy habits. This would be a list of steps that you can follow in order to do so. You could have an action plan that breaks down a goal into the specific action steps. I go into detail on how I do this in my goal setting video that I'm going to link in the description down below for you if you want to check that out. You can create a planning routine insert that lists out what you want to do during your planning session. Maybe you plan daily or maybe you plan weekly, but this would include each of the steps that you want to take in order to make sure that you are getting everything done. If you would like these 3 free planning routine printables, you can access them using the link that I included in the description for this video, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!
Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were